స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ తో రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ ని బాడీ ఫార్మ్స్ కి డ్రెస్ చేయబోతున్నారు. కంటెస్టెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ ని బాడీ ఫార్మ్స్ కి డ్రెస్ చేసి జడ్జెస్ రివ్యూ కోసం రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. సో లెట్స్ కాల్ దెమ్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ద కంప్లీషన్.
Zero 1 to Pushpa. The fabric used is 100% cotton, is a twill, zigzag basic, but the pattern, the design, the color is not up to the mark of quarter-final standards. Sorry for that. 014 Joshita is a two-ply cotton, duplex print, tie and dye effect, excellent outfit, color combination is good, is a winter outfit in western style, good. And 016 Meghna, the cotton silk based fabric. The outfit looked like a normal and simple. And 019 Valli, 100% cotton, western outfit in Indian style. Excellent piece of work, Valli. Thank you.
Contestant number 016 Meghna was the first to finish. Your design is very simple. There's not much of designing in that. Colors are okay, and the drape what you put around the neck should have been little goldenish color or something. You can do much better. You are very talented. You could have done it. Next is Pushpa. Contestant number 012. The color combination is good, but you have not done a good finish. You could have used some trimmings to the corners where you can hide those things. It's just simple and you can do better. 019 Valli. It's very trendy and classy design. It's a good finish. And the accessory, the cap you have given is also very good. You've done a very good job. Yes. 014 Joshita. The color selection is good. The design is also good. I like the design and its finishing is also done very well.
Yeah, before I start, for all the contestants, I think some of you had a smart working and some of you hard working. But I just want to caution you and give you a word of advice. Kindly take this contest very seriously from here on, because there is no substitute for hard work. Your designs today, to whatever level that you have come in, is showing it up. But I think it needs a lot of hard work, a lot, because this is not what is expected. It has really not reached our level of expectation. But on the whole, I think you have come out better than the previous work. So I'll start with contestant number 012, Pushpa. There's a lot of hide and seek in your style, if I look into it, because I'm talking very technically in terms of your constructions. So construction finish has not really come up to the mark. And if it's not on the body form, I think the flaws would have come out. And this shows that you have not really put in the kind of hard work that we have expected from you, Pushpa. It shows that, your casual approach on this, and we expect more from you in the coming episodes. Anyway, good work, because it was all timely completed. Then 016. Meghna, what happened to you? It came out as a very simple style. It looked like more of a smart work rather than hard work, and the output. Are you happy with the constructions that has been coming through this? I seriously want to ask you on this. Because, see, when you have reached this level, we expect a lot. And the people watching you are also expecting a lot. It could have gone in with more number of, with a better finish than what you have given. Anyway, congrats, and I think you still hold the record for having completed it within time frame. And I expect more from you too. Contestant number 014, Joshita. Not really satisfied. There's a lot that you can improvise, and you need to put in a lot amount of hard work. So please understand the seriousness of the game. You have done a wonderful job, but at the same time, this is not the satisfactory levels of us. And coming to this episode, from the phase that you walked in and come in here, we expect more from you. Anyway, I think now you have a little improvised and shown in the color combinations, which has come out really trendy and nice. A little bit of more finishings, and go in with little more complications. Your neck finishes are not up to the mark. Your armhole finishes are not up to the mark. Concentrate on that. I think you'll definitely do a wonderful job. And congratulations. Next, Valli. Yes. I can say that you have done a good job. It shows a lot of hard work, because within the time frame that the way you have accessorized it has come out very well. And your little detailing on the fabric has also shown up. It's good. I think you are coming in with and reaching some level of expectations, but you can still do a lot more better. So continue that hard work, and congratulations. I think your style and finish is a little better.
Pushpa, Jyoti, Meghna and Valli. You have done this episode for quarterfinals, right? So, I should congratulate you for reaching at least quarterfinals. From these, 2 contestants will be going to semi-finals. So, I'll start with Meghna. I had a lot of expectations on you. The sketch illustration what you showed me was different from this. And what made you do this simple costume? You don't want to go to next level. We started this episode with a great challenge, proving it to the market what quality we are teaching here. And so to prove myself, I started having confidence in you all girls. So you should know what quality we are teaching, and when you bring it out, you have to use this platform, because this is a platform where you get multiple opportunities to excel yourself. People don't watch simply sitting in front of TV as they are watching a song or something else, right? They see your potentiality, what you learn here. With great courage and like your confidence on you and the quality of faculty we are having, we started this episode. Let all the people of Vijayawada see what we are teaching and what you are capable of doing. So, I'm not happy with the costume what you have made today. Keep practicing. We'll see whether you will go to the next level or not. So, Joshita, you had so many bad episodes earlier. From that, I think you have done something better this time. I like the pattern, the simple and sweet costume what you have made today. Time constant as you have maintained it. The style, the draping and all, like I liked it. For the first time, you know what made this costume? Accessories are not dumped here. And it's not that you, never mind that even if your costume is very simple and cotton, it should look nice to your eyes. Your eyes will be the best judge to judge your costume is right or wrong. So by seeing this, you can make it out what wrong you did in the earlier episode and what you made it this time. But still, if you are reaching to semi-finals, you know what the competition is there in semi-finals. Pushpa, I'm not happy with the finish what you have done today. And there is no clarity in your cut, if I'm not wrong. There is no clarity in your cut. So on sketch, you can show your clarity of your cuts. But right, coming in draping and on body form, you don't have that clarity at all. And the finish, I'm not happy at all. So the quarterfinals, definitely no. This costume is not at all for quarterfinals. You have done much, much better than earlier episodes. What made you do this? This shows your, like, your negligence, your overconfidence. Students of this mindset don't have a long way to go. You have to know that every second, when you go for a competition, every second should be a competition for you. You can't sleep and do a competition. Valli, I think you have done the best costume today. I'm happy with the design and all, because this costume can be used in reverse also. So, I can see it. I can see it. You can use either side of the way. It's really nice. You have concentrated much on the pattern first, and the finish is also perfect. Your accessorizing is really style. You maintain your style in this. So, entire costume is nice. I like the costume.
You can use it as a cocktail as well.
Yeah, definitely. This can be used as a cocktail, and this skirt can be used on any other tops. This can be used under the jeans, this can be used under the leggings, this can be used with the stockings. So multiple ways your costume can be used. This is what the quality of Swift is. And so same faculty is been teaching for one and all girls. So you have to concentrate on each and every detailing before coming into the contest. Once you are there in the competition, you have to know that. You have to bring your quality, what you have been taught here in the SIFT. This is the place where you have to prove yourself. When we have given you such kind of a platform, please make use of this platform properly. Did you understand? So, I think I'll be giving this the pattern of the week. Congratulations, Valli. And I like this design for semi-finals too. Shows where the style is. Congratulations. Okay. So I want better quality in semi-finals. Much, much, much better than this. Semi-finals is going to make you really designers. And I congratulate you to Pushpa. Don't repeat the mistakes.
Congratulations to all the contestants who have won in this week contest. Contestants ని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి కింద స్క్రోల్ అవుతున్న నంబర్ కి SMS చేయండి.
Hi, this is Valli. My contestant number is 019. If you like my design, please vote for me to the below scrolling number. Hi, my name is Jyoshna. My contestant number is 014. If you like my design, please vote to the below scrolling number. Hi, this is Pushpa. My contestant number is 012. Please vote for me below the scrolling number. Hi, this is Meghna. Contestant number 016. మీకు కనుక నా కాస్ట్యూమ్ నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ ఓట్ చేయండి. SMS ఫార్మాట్ MEGHANA స్పేస్ 016 టు ద బిలో స్క్రోలింగ్ నెంబర్.
ఈ వీక్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఇంతటితో ముగిద్దాం. వచ్చే వారం ఇంకో 4 కంటెస్టెంట్స్ తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు సెలవు.